A handful of industries create the world's 70% of billionaires, and these industries have similar elements that contribute to their wealth generation. In this video, we'll unveil some of the secrets where the billionaires are already aware of it. Stay tuned to find out 4 industries that created billionaires. Welcome to Luxury Prima. The first industry, entertainment and streaming services. This sector represents a highly lucrative business that generates substantial wealth for its key players. Several factors contribute to its success, providing valuable insights into its financial potential. Firstly, the global reach of the internet has paved the way for these platforms to tap into colossal audiences, delivering content to millions of viewers worldwide. This widespread access, combined with the increasing popularity of on-demand entertainment, creates significant revenue streams through subscriptions, advertisements, and various partnerships. The ability to cater to a global audience provides a strong foundation for financial success within the industry. Secondly, the industry benefits from what is known as the network effect. As more people join a particular platform, its value increases for both new and existing users. This phenomenon encourages rapid growth as individuals are naturally drawn to the most popular services. This can lead to a snowball effect that further consolidates the market as dominant platforms emerge. With their growing dominance, these platforms can invest in high-quality content and secure exclusive deals, making them even more appealing to consumers and subsequently driving up their market valuations. Prominent examples of billionaires within this industry include Reed Hastings, the co-founder and CEO of Netflix, and Jeff Bezos, the owner of Amazon, which is the parent company of Amazon Prime Video. These individuals have witnessed their fortunes grow in tandem with the success of their respective companies. Additionally, notable names include executives from major streaming platforms such as Hulu, YouTube, Disney+, and even Spotify. Their involvement highlights the immense financial opportunities present in this industry. When we contemplate the magnitude of deals being executed within this industry, it becomes evident just how much is at stake and the substantial sums of money involved. For instance, in May of 2020, Joe Rogan, the host of the immensely popular podcast The Joe Rogan Experience, signed an exclusive multi-year licensing deal with Shopify. This agreement, reportedly worth over $100 million, made the podcast available exclusively on Shopify, removing it from other services like Apple Podcast and YouTube. The competition within the industry is fierce, but it is undeniable that substantial wealth can be amassed. The entertainment and streaming services industry presents remarkable opportunities for financial success, fueled by the global reach of the internet, the network effect, and the ability to offer high-quality content to a vast audience. The second industry, green and renewable energy. Over the past 2 decades, there has been an exponential surge in the demand for innovative green technologies and renewable energy sources. This trend has not only transformed the way we generate power, but also paved the way for immense wealth creation. A key factor driving the industry's profitability is the continuous advancement in green technology. These advancements have made renewable energy sources more efficient and cost-effective than ever before. Innovations such as solar panels, wind turbines, and energy storage solutions have become increasingly accessible and have seen a significant reduction in production cost. This has enabled green energy companies to generate substantial profits by supplying clean energy to both public and private sectors. Consequently, the industry has attracted large-scale investments and provided founders with the opportunity to accumulate significant wealth. Notable examples of billionaires in the green and renewable energy sector include Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla and SpaceX. Musk has been a pioneer in electric vehicles and solar energy through companies like SolarCity. Another prominent figure is Zhengrong, the founder of Suntech Power, a leading global solar energy company. Additionally, Aloys, the founder of Enercon, has amassed a fortune through his German wind turbine manufacturing company. These visionaries have exemplified the tremendous potential of the green and renewable energy industry to generate wealth while simultaneously addressing some of the world's most pressing environmental challenges. It is important to recognize that we are still far from fully solving these challenges, indicating that more innovation is on the horizon. As the industry continues to evolve, there are abundant opportunities for aspiring individuals to contribute and make a significant impact. By harnessing their innovative spirit, they can shape the future of green and renewable energy while also reaping the potential financial rewards that come with it. Third industry, real estate. The real estate industry plays a crucial role in the generation of wealth for several compelling reasons. Firstly, it revolves around a finite and indispensable resource, land. As the global population continues to grow and urbanization progresses, the demand for land and property consistently rises, leading to an upward trend in prices. Given that land is limited and its value typically appreciates over time, individuals who invest in real estate have the potential to accumulate significant wealth. Secondly, the real estate market provides diverse avenues for income generation and capital leverage. Investors can benefit from rental income, the appreciation of property value, and engage in commercial ventures such as hotels or office buildings. Moreover, real estate investments can be facilitated through loans, allowing individuals to acquire valuable assets with a relatively small upfront capital investment. As the value of their property appreciates, this contributes to the growth of their net worth. Notable examples of billionaires who have amassed their fortunes through real estate include Bren, the owner of the Irvine company, and Wang Jianlin, the founder of Dalian Wanda Group. These individuals have leveraged the opportunities presented by the real estate industry to create substantial wealth and establish themselves as prominent figures in the field. The fourth industry, e-commerce. The e-commerce industry has opened up a path for numerous billionaires to emerge, primarily due to its remarkable scalability and global reach. Unlike traditional brick-and-mortar businesses, e-commerce platforms have the ability to cater to millions of customers without the need for a physical presence, allowing entrepreneurs to experience rapid business growth. Additionally, the low barriers to entry in e-commerce create an environment where innovative ideas and business models can thrive, leading to significant wealth creation for those who succeed in this dynamic industry. The data-driven nature of e-commerce plays a crucial role in driving customer loyalty and repeat business. Through the utilization of data analytics and artificial intelligence, e-commerce entrepreneurs can optimize and personalize the shopping experience, tailoring it to the preferences of individual customers. This enhanced level of customer satisfaction and retention ultimately translates into higher revenues and valuations for e-commerce companies. Notable examples of businesses that have seized these opportunities include Shopify, led by its co-founder Tobias Lütke, and JD.com, founded by Richard Liu, often referred to the Jeff Bezos of China. These companies have successfully capitalized on the immense potential of the e-commerce industry, demonstrating the ability to leverage scalability, global reach, and data-driven strategies to achieve remarkable financial success. Which industry are you getting into? Let us know in the comments. Like this video and subscribe to the channel.